everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today we are going to do an interesting pick a card reading for how your August 2020 is going to be. So, I will be posting the timestamps for each pile, so you can directly go click on that and go to your pile. And apart from the tarot and the angel cards, we are also going to see messages from the crystals. We are going to see messages from the angel numbers. Okay, we are also going to see the universe messages and love messages for both married and single. Yeah, and of course the runes too. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's go to your pile directly. All right. Hi pile 1. So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful Queen of Pentacles. So first and foremost, August 2020 is going to be a month in which there will be a lot of finances coming your way. Opportunities coming your way in terms of finances, so pay attention to it. There will be a woman who is going to help you out, so be observant and don't miss. All right, so let's see what is the first card of tarot for you. The first card of tarot for you is Seven of Swords. So this particular card is telling you that it's very important that you keep your ethics extremely high. You do not try and do any kind of manipulation, or also pay attention to your finances. Ensure that you are not making investments without properly doing research on it. Be careful of your belongings as well. Also, it is saying that it may so happen that somebody may try to act smart with you, so pay attention to that. Do not just be blindly trust someone, and especially be careful in terms of your finances is what I'm getting from the Seven of Swords. Also, I feel that you have to be very careful when you walk. Please ensure that you look down and walk and just not blindly walk, because it may so happen that some of you may fall while walking. So be careful while walking, while driving, and just don't trust people blindly, okay, in August 2020. The next card you have got is the Empress. Wow, so look at this, the Queen of Pentacles and the Empress. What a card to get. So the Queen of the Empress is saying you that money is going to come your way, luxury is going to come your way, lot of abundance, lot of prosperity. Many of you will work on your diet is what I'm getting. You're going to eat nutritious food is something that I'm getting. I also feel that some of you are going to either buy bed sheets, curtain covers, or some sort of inner of home decor, okay, but especially to do with curtains and bed sheets, that kind of home decor is what I am getting. Also, some of you who have been trying to conceive may receive good news, all right, is what I'm getting. I also feel that you'll pay a lot of attention to your children if you are already a parent. You will spend quality time with your children is what I'm getting. Some of you are also going to get a pet in your house, or if you already have a pet, you're going to spend a lot of time with your pet is what I'm getting. Let's see your next card. The next card is Eight of Cups. So this particular card is telling me that you will spend time in spirituality. It's also telling me that you will see what life has to offer you. Yes, there will be some sort of movement which will not be a happy movement, but in the long run you'll be like, you know what, it's good that I took this step because it's helping me in the long run. So I feel that even if this movement is not what you were looking at, but in the long run it will be very, very fruitful for you. I also feel that you are going to look at the positive side of your life. You're going to see what my life is offering to me is what will be your attitude, okay. Now let's see your next card. Your next card is the Queen of Cups. So definitely a lot of women power in August 2020. I also feel that there will be a woman, who is definitely going to help you out. Okay, your intuitive abilities, your psychic abilities are going to be fabulous. If you are a healer, you are going to make very good you're going to make very good money, but please ensure that you do not resort to any unethical means. And also, because there will be an examination which the divine will take for sure. Okay, pile 1, there will be a spiritual test which the divine is going to make you go through. So ensure that you are vigilant and you clear that particular spiritual test with flying colors, because if you do, the reward is going to be extremely high. So do not give in to any kind of temptation. Also be very vigilant. Listen to your inner voice, because your inner wisdom is going to guide you in a fantabulous way. If you listen to your inner voice, if you listen to a woman who is there in your life, who's emotionally mature, you will really go places. All right. So I would just suggest that you be careful in your financial transactions. Okay, now let's see what your other cards are saying. We'll first see in terms of finances how it's going to be. Okay, so you have got successful funding, which is again saying what the Empress card and the Queen of Pentacles is saying to us. So definitely, if you are looking for a loan, or if you're looking for some sort of money coming your way, it is going to come. All right, so do not worry, do not despair, because there will be an inflow of money coming your way for sure. Okay, the next card you got Quiet Retreat. So I feel in terms of finances, the angels want you to be very secretive. The angels want you to do not disclose your plans to anyone. Okay, keep your plans to yourself, especially with regards to money. Also spend some quiet time evaluating your finances. Okay, that where else you are, where all you are spending money, is it worth it, or where all you can invest money. So spend quiet time analyzing your finances. Okay, now let's see about health. So in your health card, interestingly, you got diet is important here. And if you remember, I had already told you that some of you are going to pay attention to your diet and you're going to eat nutritious food. So you have to take care of your health. If you're already following a diet, you may feel like cheating, so do not cheat. If you take care of your diet, your body will heal to a very, very great extent. Okay, so pay attention to the food that you eat. Also ensure that you are cleansing the food that you're getting from the market in a very sanitized way. The next card for health you got is alternative medicine. So definitely this particular card does not mean that you do not go to the doctor. You have to go to the doctor, get proper consultation and everything. But along with the normal routine of going to a doctor, taking medicines and everything, you also have to support it with alternative medicine like Reiki, or prayers, or Ayurveda, homeopathy. So some sort of alternative medicine or alternative support will be required in terms of your health, and ensure that you do take it. Okay, now let's see the changes that are going to come in your life in August 2020. The first change is emotions. So there, and you also got the Queen of Cups. So it's a positive change. So you are going to be more emotionally matured is what I'm getting from this card. You are going to ensure that you are just not acting out of despair or frustration. You will ensure that you take your time out, you're more calm, you will try and just not react to things. You'll keep yourself calm, you will see how things are going, and accordingly you will decide whether to get angry or not. I will keep this card over here since we have space. Okay, then the next change that is going to come in your life is take the next step now. So whatever you have been procrastinating, you will ensure that you do take action on it and just not sit on it. So there will be a lot of action that you're going to take, that you are going to do. Okay, it's just not sitting and watching. You will ensure that whatever it is that you desire, you bring that into existence. The next card, okay, from the Archangel Gabriel deck is deserving. So yes, the angels are trying to tell you that you deserve all the happiness in the world. So do not talk yourself out of it. Do not be like, I'm not sure if I deserve this or not, or um, I don't know whether I will be able to do it or not, because an opportunity is going to come your way. So don't talk yourself out of it, or don't let anybody else talk you out of it. The next card that you have got is patience. So yes, you may feel, okay, that yeah, I am trying, I'm working so hard in on this particular thing. When is it going to happen? When will my time come? So the angels are asking that be patient, the divine timing is at work. Also I feel, in terms of, if I see your overall tarot cards and the angel cards, in terms of money, it looks good. August 2020 looks good. In terms of emotions, yes, you need to work on it, all right, but you will be able to work on it. Okay, keep your secrets to yourself, do not share it with others, is also what the cards are saying. In terms of health, you will have to pay attention to your diet and nutrition. That's gonna help you a lot. Apart from all this, what I'm also getting is that there will be lot of, your mother. Okay, it may so happen that you may have some up and down with your mother, or a mother kind of a figure. So be patient, do not lose your temper on your mom or your mother-in-law, because it's not really a great idea. And yes, it's going to be a lovely month for you guys, because you have got the Empress card, you have got the Queen of Cups card. That's so amazing. All right, the ones who are working with children, expect you to do your expect yourself to be able to connect with with children in a really amazing manner. I feel that some of you are counselors, okay, in this particular pile. You are counselors, you deal with children, you already have children, so you are going to do really well with them. Okay, you will be able to process your emotions in the right manner, so that you are able to give the best to your child in terms of emotional fulfillment, in terms of being there as a parent. Now let's see the love messages for pile 1. We'll see love messages for the singles. Okay, I'm shuffling the cards. Okay, so let me shuffle in front of the camera. So for singles, it is oh my god, finances and career are going to be of importance. So pile 1 for singles, the message is that yes, finances and career are going to play an important role in your love life. However, take some time off and also pay attention to your love life. It may also happen that you may you may try and evaluate a prospect based on their financial condition, the financial status, the career that they are in, which is to an extent acceptable, but do not be blindfolded only with that aspect. See the person as a whole and not just only in terms of finances and career. Now let's see love messages for the married. So for love messages for the married, this could be the one. So what I feel is this particular card is telling that at times you are with someone, however you still at times think about your ex, that what if you were with your ex, how things could have been, or you may end up thinking if you were with somebody else, how life would have been. So the angels are asking that do not waste your time in speculation. Rather than invest your time in your current relationship, give more time to your partner and understand that this is the one and how you can make the most out of your relationship. All right, now let's see the other messages. Okay, so we'll see what the universe wants to tell you. Okay, so let me pick. All right, let me pick further from. Okay, let me see what's coming your way. Okay, and what else, okay, all right. So let's see what messages the universe wants to give you. First, let me see the emojis. Okay, all right. So wow, you have got a heart emoji and a tongue emoji, so a naughty emoji. So definitely this month of August is going to be full of love and naughtiness. So you're going to spend a lot of time being mischievous, all right, and having some good quality fun. Let's see what are the other messages from the universe. See how I'm not able to pronounce today, sorry. Good things come to those who wait. So again, you know, this particular universe message is resonating with the patience card that you got over here. So yes, whatever you desire in the month of August 2020, it will come to you, but have some patience, okay, because you know good things are coming their way. All right, then you have got be so good they can't ignore you. So over here again, you know, the Empress card, and this resonates so much. So the angels are asking you that, you know, you just understand that you're too good, and nobody, even if they're ignoring you, it doesn't matter, because you are so good that they cannot ignore you for a long time. Then you have got the Gemini message from the universe. So either you would be a Gemini, sun rising or moon rising, or you may meet a Gemini who is going to be of importance, or who is going to play some role in August 2020. Also, Gemini represents duality. All right, so just pay attention to that aspect as well. Now let's see what the runes are telling. Okay. Lovely. So you have got the rune of, such a lovely rune to get, guys. You got the rune of prosperity. Okay, you have got the rune of reward. All right, so this means, you know, reward, prosperity, peace, and you know, you have got the Empress card as well. All right, so no wonder you got such a beautiful rune. So definitely you see how the universal messages, the runes, they all kind of, you know, come together. Isn't it lovely? Okay, now let's see your crystal message. All right, my pile one. Such an amazing crystal. You got citrine, which is again a crystal related to the sun. Sunstone, which is again a crystal related to the sun. So this both are crystal of prosperity, career, finances. So guys, you know, again you got the same thing, which, you know, your rune is talking the same thing, your tarot cards are talking the same thing, your crystals are talking the same thing too. So definitely expect a lot of career growth, a lot of prosperity, a lot of abundance, money coming your way. Now let's see what the angel numbers are saying. Okay, 40, 82, 41 and 84. Guys, if you happen to see my last video in which I had mentioned how the universe answers your prayers for money. I had said that you will see the number 84, 882, quite often. So, money is going to come your way. Have faith. You have got three fours, okay? 40, 41, and 84. So, three fours, which again means, there is a lot of angel support. It may also happen that you would be seeing the number 444 a lot, and not surprisingly, because you have the angelic support, the entire divine realm is going to support you in the month of August 2020. All right, and the number 40 is saying the creator and the angels both love you. The number 82 is saying have faith, everything is working in divine timing. The number 41 is saying keep your thoughts positive, because the angels will click your thoughts and give you the same. The number 84 is again saying that all your financial needs are going to be fulfilled by the divine. So lovely, guys. If isn't it amazing how everything just adds up? Okay, whether it was a universal message, whether it was your numbers, whether it was your rune, everything is saying that August 2020 is going to be a month of finances and career. Money will be of prime importance. Yes, but things will come at a particular pace. All right, so be patient, don't get hyper, or don't get impatient, or don't get desperate or frustrated, because it's going to happen in divine timing. So lovely group 1, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Do write in the comment section what you loved about this reading, what resonated with you, because I read all the comments. Also let me know what next topic would you like me to do a pick a card reading on, and I will also put the link of my last video that I had posted in the description column, so that you can see about how the universe answers your prayers regarding money, because money is the basic theme for you, pile 1. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Hi pile 2. So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful magician, okay, first and foremost, you guys are going to create lot of magic in August 2020. You are going to be super confident. You will be able to do all the tasks which the universe or which will come your way. So it's going to be really, really very interesting month for you guys. Also do write in the comment section later on, that how whatever the pick a card reading that we did for that particular month, what happened, okay, with regards to that reading. Did it happen to you the same thing in some way or the other? But do realize it is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. So let's see what your tarot cards are saying, what your angel cards are saying regarding how your month of August 2020 is going to be. The first card that you have drawn is the Knight of Pentacles. So definitely for the month of August, you guys are going to really ensure that you do your work in a perfect manner. You will ensure that you do everything perfectly. You will do a lot of research, and you will after receiving complete information, after complete research, you will take steps. However, just ensure that you do not invest too much time in being perfect and miss the timelines, because that would really not serve the purpose, because doing proper work in the given timeline is more important than extending the timeline and losing the project or the client. So yes, take your time, but don't take too much time. All right. Also, there will be somebody trustworthy coming in your life in August 2020, or who's already there in your life, who is going to help you. All right. This person is going to be younger than you, or maybe of your own age. The next card that you have got for August 2020 is 10 of Wands. So definitely, there will be lot of work. All right, lot of work, however, a lot of success as well. You will be busy doing everything on your own, so delegation is a must. All right, because if you exhaust yourself too much, then you will not be able to come up with the ideas, come up with the enthusiasm required to carry on the project given to you. Okay, Also, some of you may have some back pain, or you may have to I feel that the root chakra will be an issue for some, so the lower body may be of a concern. All right, the next card that you have drawn is the strength card. What a lovely card to get. So the strength card is saying that I feel that some of you are into teaching and training. So, or in some sort, maybe you are a dentist, or some sort of training and teaching as well. So you guys are going to do really, really well in your career. You are going to work on new projects to teach people. However, do not invest too much time in making your project too perfect, and delaying it. Okay, I also feel that some of you are going to really tame your inner beast. All right, and you're going to become a better version of yourself in August 2020 is what I'm getting. All right, and I also feel that some of you will be able to tame people in your life for acting too funny is what I'm getting. All right, the next card that you have got is the Queen of Swords. So yes, you will be practical in August 2020. You will also be very straightforward as always. However, the angels are telling you that do not be harsh with your words, do not hurt others. You can be assertive and say what you want to say. So be very kind in your words. Especially, what may happen is, because of the 10 of Wands that you have got over here, you may feel very burdened, and that frustration you may remove on others by using harsh words. All right, so don't do that. Okay, so don't be harsh, whatever, delegate, so that you are not exhausted at the end of the day. The next, now let's see how your finances are going to be in the month of August 2020. You have got the Take a Divinely Guided Change. All right, so here the card is saying that you will be getting that divine guidance of your inner voice is going to tell you that, hey, why don't you do this, why don't you take up this project, or why don't you do this particular work. So ensure that you don't dismiss your inner voice. You should listen to your inner voice, and you should try and follow the change that your inner voice is guiding you towards. The next card that you have got is Power of Prayer. So guys, what this card is telling you is to be open to miracles, to be open to healing. There is lots of good things that can be made available to you, provided you pray for it. Okay, just hard work will not, since over here it is a card of hard work. Okay, only hard work will not lead you where you want to go. You need divine support also, divine grace as well, and you can get that divine grace, that divine support via the power of prayer. So ensure that you pray during the whole month of August 2020, and of course afterwards also, but more so in August 2020, because there are a lot of downloads are going to come your way, which will help you to move ahead in your life. Now let's see in terms of health, let's see in terms of changes what's going to happen in August 2020. So you have got self-employment. So definitely the ones who have been planning to go from corporate to start something of their own, you should do it, but you should not jump straight away. First, try your luck in terms of your business side by side, as I always tell to everyone, and once your business supports you, you can always shift to it completely. I also feel that there are going to be positive changes in your business. All right, if you already have one, as this particular card is clearly saying that there is going to be divinely guided changes. A lot of ideas are going to come your way, and if you pray, your self-employment opportunities are going to be extremely good projects coming your way. So work on it. The next change that is going to come your way is finances. What a card to get. So definitely there will be a lot of positive inflow of money. And since you have got the self-employment and the finances card together in terms of changes, so a lot of money coming to you via your business, or an opportunity coming to you if you are in a corporate, which can increase the inflow of money. So don't dismiss it out, guys. If you're working in a corporate, don't be like, oh no, I can't do this because I don't have time or resources. Don't do this, because you've chosen the magician card, which means that you have all that you need to be successful in terms of business. Yeah, but the power of prayer is what is going to make the difference. The next change that is going to happen for you in August 2020 is keep the faith. So here I would connect the power of prayer and keep the faith card, and I'm going to say that yes, your faith in the divine is going to increase multifold, especially because of the experiences that you are going to have. All right, that's going to be a deciding factor. In terms of your health, you have got the improving health card. So yes, this card says that your health will improve provided you take efforts. Okay, is what I'm getting. You need to take efforts. You need to go and meet the doctor. You need to not delay taking medicines, which if you are, take care of your health, take care of your diet. The next card in terms of health, you have got ask your body for a message. So here I feel that some of you are having stomach issues because of unhealthy eating habits. So you need to cut that down, guys, because that unhealthy habit of eating junk food or unhealthy beverages, okay, I am getting some of you are having too much of alcohol, so you need to control that down. Or if you're having, I'm so sorry, that's my daughter. Or if you're having too much of aerated drinks, you need to cut that down, guys. Shift towards a more healthy eating and consuming healthy beverages. All right. The next card that you have got is detox time. Again, it's saying the same thing. Okay, so not only diet and body, you also need to stop overthinking. Some of you overthink so much, and that doesn't help anyone, guys. If overthinking could have solved the problems, there would have been, I always tell this in my workshops, if overthinking would have solved problems, in each organization they would have had an overthinking department whose job would have only been to think too much. Okay, so also I feel that some of you are going to, some people in your life who are toxic, okay, are going to go out of your life for the better. All right, so now let's see the last card for prayer. Oh my god, can you believe it? We have got two cards, okay, saying the same thing, power of prayer and prayer. All right, so guys, you need, rather than worrying, you need to focus on praying, because if you pray, you're going to experience miracles. You're going to get the solutions that you are looking at. So guys, ensure that you're not missing your prayers for any reason, whatever might be. I'll keep it over here because to reconfirm that prayer thing more whenever you're seeing this particular spread. So overall, guys, I feel that your the month of August 2020 is going to be busy for you. However, you will be able to manage it, and you are going to get lot of support from the divine. Take it, and there will be help available. Take care of your health, and pray a lot. Now let's see love messages. Okay, let's see what love message is for singles. Okay, it is safe for you to love. I feel that since because of your past experiences, singles, you have been very disappointed and you are not able to love or trust anyone. Okay, whenever you meet somebody new, you start thinking, oh my god, what if this person will break my heart, or what if this person is going to ghost me. All right, ghost me in the sense, when somebody just disappears without telling you why. Okay, that's called ghosting. So understand, that it is safe for you to love. All right, so don't close your heart chakra is what I'm getting, guys. Now let's see messages for married people. New love. So definitely what this card is saying is that all those people who are in a relationship or who are already married, your relationship with your partner is going to become better. You are going to rediscover each other. You're going to love each other more. And yes, keep away from distractions is also what I'm getting. All right, now let's see what the messages are from the universe. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see more. All right. Okay. So let's see. So in terms of emoji, you have got, oh, the kissing emoji. So married people, you know what that means. Okay, on singles as well. So yes, you're going to have a good time laughing, lot of laughing emotions coming your way, lot of lovely emotions coming your way, physical relations for some of you are going to get better. Also this particular emoji is telling me that you're going to feel so smart. All right, you're going to really feel so, you're going to give some savage replies to people who will try to put you down. All right, and they'll be like, oh my god, why did I even bother? Okay. The other messages from your universe that the angels are saying is friends. So definitely the universe is saying that there will be support available. You will make new friends, or you may meet someone via a contact is what I'm getting. Okay, you have got the unicorn. How cute. And the unicorn is in love. Oh my god, isn't that beautiful, guys? So love, for group 1 the theme was finance and career. For group 2 it is more to do with love. Okay, emotions, interpersonal relationships is what I'm getting. So yes, guys, okay, you are going to experience love, lot of good relations. You have got the Virgo card. So either you are Virgo or you may meet a Virgo. Also Virgo represents perfection, being a perfectionist. And you have got the Knight of Pentacles, which is also a card of perfection. So yes, I feel that you are really going to do everything in such a perfect manner. Now let's see what rune you have got. All right. Oh, lovely. So you have got the rune of success, victory. So amazing. Yes, because you have got this self-employment card also. Changes in self-employment and finances is what you have got. And you have also got the card of success. So definitely August 2020, since you are such a perfectionist and a hardworking person, success is going to come your way, and it's not a surprise for sure. Let's see what crystal message. All right. So you have got the labradorite crystal, which shields aura. It is also a third eye opener. So definitely your intuition is going to be very good. You have got citrine, all right, which is a crystal of prosperity. Okay, and you have got moss agate, which is again a crystal of prosperity. So guys, for group 2 it's amazing. Spiritual growth is there, your health is going to improve, your love life is going to get better. Yeah, of course the workload will be there because of the 10 of wands, but overall it looks like a good month, guys. Now let's see what the angel messages are for you. So you have got 63, you have got 13, all right, you have got 32 and 4. Okay, So guys, you have got two threes, which means, see, two threes over here. Now this is telling that you have a lot of god and goddess support. That's my daughter. All right, so I'm so sorry for that, guys. Okay, so all right, so this particular number is saying, the number 4 is telling that, you know, there will be the angels supporting you, a lot of angels supporting you, the divine supporting you. The number 63 is saying that material needs will be taken care of, do not worry. The number 13 is saying that yes, there will, you know, your thoughts, whatever you manifest, are going to happen in a very beautiful way in your life. The number 32 is saying that there will be lot of divine support coming your way, guys. Lot of divine support, nothing to worry. Okay, nothing to worry at all. So overall, a beautiful year, guys. Oh, sorry, beautiful month, guys. Yeah, I think the year is also going to be beautiful for the remaining part of the 2020, because nothing is ever a coincidence. All right, so a lot of good things coming your way, group 2. Just ensure that you take some rest. Okay, don't overburden yourself, and take care of your back as well. But overall, it's an amazing month, guys. Pray, because your prayers are going to be answered like miracles. Okay, so all right, so group 2, if you like this video, do write in the comment section what resonated with you. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care. Hello group 3. So all those who have chosen the Empress card, lot of abundance is going to come your way for sure. Matter related to children will be of importance in August 2020. Your children may give you some really good news, or they may be well behaved in August 2020. So I feel there will be some sort of addition in your family or your extended family in some way or the other, is what I'm getting for some of you. Now let's see what your tarot cards are saying. I also feel some of you will get recognition. All right, is what I'm getting. So the first card that you have got, all right, is the Two of Wheels, which is the Two of Pentacles. So you are going to multitask. All right, there will be a lot of multitasking that you are going to do in August 2020. You are going to be quite busy, and you will be able to do it beautifully. You will ensure that you are able to maintain your emotional well-being by ensuring that you do some sort of meditation or prayers, is what I'm getting, guys. Now let's see your next card. The next card that you have got is Five of Cups. So you know what may happen is, too much of work can at times lead to frustration. All right, but you know what, guys, look at it this way. At least you know, you have work. There are many people who are out of work. So be grateful for your corporate career. Be grateful for all that life is offering you. And if you see this card, you know, even though the three cups are not, you know, they're empty, he still has got a cup which is, you know, which is upright. Okay, so he has got something to look forward to. Also, those people who are dealing with addictions, okay, you need to kind of, you know, ensure that you take some help. All right, the next card that you have got is the Ten of Cups. So as I said, there will be addition in your family, okay, or your extended family. There will be good news with regards to family, some new beginnings which may take place in your family, which will really excite you. The next card that you have got is the Nine of Wands. So here it is telling you, you know, that see, you may feel a bit insecure, you may feel a bit, you know, not so great. All right, but rather than focusing on uh, on what is not working in your life. You need to focus on what is working in your life. Because if you go to see, okay, the year, the month, okay, the month of August 2020 is quite good in terms of the emotional fulfillment, in terms of new beginnings in family. Also work wise, since you are going to be busy, it's a good thing. So it may so happen that you may be overwhelmed by all the work that you have to do, but rather than getting upset or frustrated, look at the positive side of it. Okay, let's see how your finances are going to be. Obstacles and blocks are lifted. Wow, so this means that whatever is stuck, okay, will be released. Okay, so if you have been facing a lot of blockages in your finances, all that is going to go. All right, then the next card for finances is unlimited ideas, which means your inner voice is going to give you a lot of ideas to bring more blessings in your life, especially in terms of finances. So listen to those ideas rather than getting upset or ignoring those ideas. Okay, because it may so happen that you are so upset, okay, that you may not pay attention to the ideas which are going to uplift the blockages. Okay, the next card, okay, let's see what changes are going to happen in your life. Windfall. Wow, so definitely, since the obstacles and blocks are going to get lifted out of your finances, there is going to be a windfall of money. Also, there would be an idea which the divine will guide you, and if you follow it, it's going to lead to a lot of amazing money coming your way. The next changes is sentimental feelings, and now see how this card is resonating with the 5 of cups and the 9 of wands. So yes, you will feel emotional in August 2020, but ensure that you look at the positive side. If required, take some help, talk to a friend, okay, because that's going to keep you uplifted. The next card that you have got, let's see in terms of health what the messages are. So health wise, you've got a detoxification card. So ensure that you are drinking the right quantity of water, not too much, not too less. Some of you may have some kidney related issues, but don't worry, get help for it. A lot of detoxification will happen in terms of your mind, body and soul. Maybe that's why you may feel like the 5 of cups. Okay, so it's a good thing, guys, if you're going to release all the toxins. You have got the card of children, so definitely some of you are going to get blessed with an addition in your house. Or if you're worried about your children, the angels are asking you to relax. They are taking care of your children, do not worry. Okay, also please ensure that try and understand your children in a better manner. Change physician. So I feel over here some of you have been trying for a baby and it is somehow not working out, so you need to see a proper doctor. Okay, if you're happy with your current doctor or the current treatment that you're having, go ahead, no need to make changes in that. But if you feel that the current treatment is not helping you out in any way, or it is not really healing you, then you need to kind of seek a proper medical help, is what this card is saying. Okay, let's see your other card. You have got the card of miracle. Wow, so definitely there is going to, so windfall card and the miracle card is saying that God is going to shower a lot of miracles. And over here also you have got the obstacles and blocks are lifted. So August 2020, it may at the end of the month you'll be like, hey, yes, there were some emotional episodes which I had to undergo, but look, I have experienced miracles too. Okay, the next card that you have got is helping children. This is the second card. Children. Okay, so some of you, your life purpose involves teaching, guiding and helping young people. So you need to pay attention to it. Also you need to pay attention to your own children, because their emotional needs are to be met too. The next card that you have got is vision board. So this is something that I'm teaching in my angel guidance workshop. Vision board is much more than just cutting pictures and pasting on a book. Okay, it is your dreams, it is your manifestation. So all those of you who have been dreaming about a particular thing in your life, okay, have faith, have expectations that it's going to get fulfilled, because you got the card of miracle too. All right, so overall group 3, your month of August 2020 is going to be up and down. All right, but overall it's going to be beautiful. There will be toxic people in your relations who will be removed, or who may choose to walk out on their own. Do not be sad or desperate, because that will be for your highest good. I also feel some mother related issues may crop up. Be patient with your mother. I think even group 1 had got the same, if I'm not wrong. Health wise, it's you need to pay attention to your body, but overall the month is going to be full of miracles. Your finances are going to be smooth. All right, a lot of visions that you had and you have for yourself are going to come true. So isn't it amazing, guys? All right, now let's see the love messages. Okay, the love messages for singles for group 3. You have got the playfulness card. So this particular card is saying that you need to be more, you need to enjoy meeting new people, because what happens is you're like, oh my god, again I have to meet people, and again all this whole process of when is it going to end, when am I going to meet the one? So rather than feeling sad and bored or frustrated about meeting new people, have that playful attitude. Okay, now let's see love messages for married. Pay attention to red flags. So here this card is telling you that at times we take our partner for granted. All right, so the card is telling you to do not do that. Pay more attention to what your partner is trying to tell you, to communicate with your partner. Try to understand their needs, their what they desire, and try and fulfill it. All right, is what the card is trying to tell you. Now let's see your rune message. Lovely. So you have got the rune which says divine protection. So guys, you are going to be protected completely, so do not be afraid or scared of the August month. Now let's see what the universe is trying to tell you. Okay, let's see. All right, so let's see what the messages from the universe are. Okay, so there will be a pleasant surprise for you guys in August 2020, which is going to make you really, really happy. So the miracle card is again resonating with this. Lovely, lovely. Okay, let's see what are the other. So you got Aries and Sagittarius. So either you are an Aries or a Sagittarius, or you may meet an Aries or a Sagittarius who are going to make difference in your life. Let's see the other messages. Life is a beautiful ride. So see, rather than having this attitude, okay, of 5 of cups, all right, you should have this, wherein you are managing everything so beautifully. All right, so life is a beautiful ride. I feel that some of you may travel not to a great extent because of the current COVID situation, but you will have some sort of small, maybe you'll just go for a walk or something, or you may travel from one phase in your life to another. Okay, that's the message from the universe. Save the date. So definitely some of you are going to meet the one, or I do see pregnancy for some of you. All right, for sure, because you got the card, you got the universe message of save the date. So definitely there is going to be an important date in August 2020. Maybe it's your birthday, maybe some very important event is going to happen in August 2020 because of the miracle card as well. So that particular miracle or that particular incident is going to make you feel, oh my god, I can never forget this day. It is such an amazing day. Lovely, guys, lovely. Now let's see what are the crystal messages. Okay, so all the groups have got citrine today, so definitely money is going to come. Money, luck, prosperity. Okay, you got the pyrite, which again talks about grounding, so you need to ground yourself. Also there will be a money inflow. Okay, this is wow, this is a beautiful iolite. So definitely your third eye chakra is going to give lots of inputs to you. Okay, I think you got a card, if I'm not wrong, of unlimited ideas. There you go. And yes, even this card is telling that there will be this particular crystal is also saying, I would like to sing the same thing. There are a lot of ideas that are going to come your way, group 3. Isn't that amazing? All right, so and you have that divine protection which you are looking at. Overall your month, a lot of creativity and new ideas, because again children represents creativity, new ideas. So pay attention to all the ideas that is coming to you, because that's gonna really help you. You've also got the card of playfulness, which again represents keeping your energies light, being more happy. So guys, again and again the cards are telling you the same thing. Watch more entertaining things than heavy things, because you need to keep yourself a little bit more light and happy. Let's see what angel numbers you have got. You have got 83, 7 and 33. So guys, I'm sure you must be seeing the number 333 a lot, also 38. Or this particular numbers are of some importance to you, maybe your age, maybe some date. Okay, so the number 3 is saying that the divine is there supporting you. You are on the right path. So don't feel that I'm not on the right path, what's going to happen. Don't worry at all. An abundance is going to come your way. All right, there is going to be miracles, guys, which you will experience. However, don't write off small miracles saying, oh god, this is such a small miracle, what is the big deal in it. Don't do that. All right, because it's going to be really very amazing. All right, so group 3, this is how your month of August 2020 is going to be. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, do write in the comment section what resonated with you, and also if you have any topic in which you would like me to do a pick a card reading, do mention it. I would definitely do it if I'm drawn towards it. Also, do like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with all those people whom you think will benefit by seeing this video. Alright, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Have a great day ahead.